Hello, I'm Roger from NiSi Filters USA, and I'm holding the M75 filter holder system. It's a scaled-down version of our popular and larger V6 filter holder system. However, the M75 is designed for compact cameras with an APS-C size sensor, or crop sensor cameras as they're most commonly referred to as. The M75 allows the owners of these compact cameras to capture beautiful landscape and long exposure images without compromise. It also retains the compact nature of your camera, making them very easy to carry around and also take up little space in your camera bag. The M75 has a native 67mm threaded main adapter that also houses a circular polarizer that threads directly onto the front of the main adapter. This puts the CPL directly in front of your lens, and once it's securely in place, you can adjust the polarization by rotating these knurled knobs on either side of the main adapter. The M75 can be adapted down to 39mm all the way up to 72mm. However, keep in mind when you're adapting it to 72mm, you forego the use of the CPL, as the 72mm adapter ring actually replaces the 67mm main adapter that houses the CPL. The filter holder mounts over the CPL and can accommodate two 75mm wide ND filters. It can be rotated or locked into place. And this lock is very useful when you already have a graduated filter aligned with your horizon and you don't want it to move when inserting a secondary filter. The M75's main adapter was designed to stay on the lens at all times. So once you're done shooting, you simply remove the filter holder and attach the lens cap, and you can store it in your camera bag knowing that your CPL won't get damaged. With several different squared filter systems and a full range of circular filters, NiSi has a solution for all photographers. A quick consultation with your local NiSi dealer or by calling our support line will help you get set up quickly and efficiently.